everyone, good morning. This is me Avishka and the bulletin today starts with Instagram DMs introduce nicknames, stickers and live location sharing. Nothing expands service network with new centers in India. We have Swiggy Instamart which leads India's quick commerce race. And Nvidia's AI model sparks misuse concern. Kerala's K-Phone set to reach 1 lakh broadband connections by December. AI and Ayurveda transforming ancient medicine, fossil fuels to remain key in India's transport sector until 2050. Now, in the previous quiz, we asked you what does VVVF stand for? The answer is Verified Very Valuable Protocol. It's time for our daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. What does LAN stand for? Confident you've got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below and tune in to tomorrow's news bulletin to find out if you've nailed it. Stay tuned. Let's start with the first news. Instagram has enhanced its DM features with 3 new capabilities. Users can assign nicknames to friends visible only in chats with options to control nickname assignments. New stickers similar to WhatsApp's enable more expressive communication. Additionally, users can share live location temporarily, which will expire after an hour. This feature, currently available in selected countries including India, is disabled by default and requires manual activation. These updates aim to make Instagram's messaging more engaging and user-friendly, reflecting the platform's commitment to innovating its communication tools for a better user experience. Then we have technology brand Nothing, which has expanded its service footprint in India, inaugurating exclusive centers in Hyderabad and Chennai. This brings the company's exclusive service network to 5 centers with existing facilities in Mumbai, Delhi and Bangalore. Hyderabad center opened on November 25, followed by Chennai's on November 26. Pranay Rao, head of marketing for Nothing India, emphasized the company's commitment to enhancing customer experience and its rapid growth in India. Apart from these exclusive centers, Nothing operates priority desks at multi-brand service centers in cities like Kolkata, Gurgaon and Kochi, with plans to add 20 more soon. Recognized by Counterpoint Research as India's fastest growing smartphone brand, Nothing aims to strengthen support services along its market expansion. Then we have Swiggy Instamart, which has emerged as the fastest player in India's quick commerce sector, delivering in just 8 minutes across top cities. According to JP Morgan report, rival Zepto and Blinkit trail with median delivery time of 9 and 11 minutes respectively. Swiggy's consistent performance with only a 2-minute variance between promised and actual delivery time sets a benchmark in the $6 billion industry. The sector continues to grow, diversifying into products beyond groceries. As competition intensifies, Swiggy's lead underscores its focus on speed and reliability, redefining customer expectation in India's rapid delivery market. Then we have Nvidia, which has unveiled Fugato, an advanced AI audio-capable model of modifying voices and generating unique sounds. Targeted at music, film, and gaming industry, the technology is not being publicly released due to ethical concern over potential misuse. The rise of generative AI has already been fueled deepfake controversies and fraud, raising alarms amongst policymakers and industries. Experts warn that as generative AI becomes more accessible, smaller entities could exploit it, necessitating stricter regulation and detection tools. Nvidia's caution approach reflects the growing need to balance innovation with ethical consideration in generative AI development. Then we have Kerala's broadband initiative K-Phone, which is on track to achieve 1 lakh connections by December. The state-backed network has already provided 23,642 connections to government offices, 39,878 commercial FTTH connections, and 5,236 free connections to economically weaker households. K-Phone has installed 6,307 km of dark fiber for commercial use and maintained 103 leased lines and 223 SME broadband connections. Offering high-speed, unlimited internet plans, K-Phone aims to bridge the digital divide. With 69,016 active subscribers and 3,558 local network providers, K-Phone is expanding its affordable broadband services across Kerala, demonstrating a model for state-led digital empowerment. Now, the integration of AI and Ayurveda is revolutionizing traditional healthcare practices. Ayurveda's personalized based on balancing doshas now benefit from AI-driven precision tools. AI enhances Prakriti and Vikruti diagnostics using data analytics, mobile apps, and wearable sensors. Tools like Pulse Sensor bring accuracy to techniques like Nadi Pariksha, offering real-time health monitoring. AI also aids in predicting treatment efficiency, suggesting remedies tailored to individual needs, and advancing Ayurvedic drug discovery by optimizing herbal formulation. However, challenges like data privacy, ethical concern, and maintaining Ayurveda's holistic approach persist. Collaboration between technologists and practitioners is crucial for validation. As AI bridges Ayurveda and modern medicine, it promises to make the ancient system more accessible and scientifically robust, aligning traditional with technological innovation. Now, a TERI study titled Roadmap to Indian Transition in the Transport Sector reveals that fossil fuels will remain significant in India's transport sector until at least 2050. Even as alternative fuel technologies grow, the report projects that fossil fuel demand will decline post 2050, dropping below financial year 31 levels by financial year 71. Natural gas will dominate the demand with a projection of 99 to 157 MTOE by financial year 71 in ambitious decarbonization scenario. The number of vehicle on Indian roads is expected to increase fivefold, with EV adoption playing a pivotal role. Now, EVs could account for 220 to 858 million vehicles depending on the decarbonization approach, driving a battery demand of 4.5 to 23.5. Raw material like nickel, lithium, and cobalt will be crucial for this transition. Now, this study comes as India aims for net zero emission by 2070, highlighting the evolving dynamics of fossil fuel and EVs in the transport sector. This was it for today's news. For more such tech updates, make sure you stay tuned to IT Voice.